welcome back to the channel, Bright Road to Success, where we make learning easy. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, click the like button. Come on back and see us for additional lessons. So let's get started. So today we're going to practice rounding or estimating. And we're going to do that by using or figuring out, or I should say maybe using expanded form. And what we want to find out today is how do you round or estimate a number to the nearest hundred? Okay, I'm going to write 100 right here. I think my hair did this. Yep, it sure did. Never seen that before. All right, so here we go. So our very first step, let's pick a number. Let's say we pick the number 167, okay? So I want to round this number, 167, to the closest hundred, okay? So the first step that I take is I'm going to write this number in expanded form. And if you don't know how to do that, I will link another video in the comment section which would explain to you how to actually write these numbers in expanded form. So let's go ahead. So if I write this number in expanded form, I see 100. I see 6 tens, so that would be 60. And I see 7 ones, and so that would be 7. That's our very first step, okay? Our second step would be to draw a vertical number line. Of course, this number line would increase through infinity, and it would decrease through infinity. So now that we have this number written in expanded form, and I'm trying to, again, round this number to the nearest hundred. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a number that is the floor. I'm going to find a number, what we call the ceiling, and then I'm going to find the all-important midpoint, okay? The 3 important words: floor, ceiling, and midpoint. So I'm going to look at my number that I've written in expanded form, and the first, because I'm finding the number to the closest hundred, whatever I wrote for the 100, I'm going to put that as the floor. So I have 100 as the floor. So now in order to find the ceiling, because remember, I'm trying to find out where this number would be on a vertical number line between a number that's below it, that's 100, and then a number that's above it, ceiling, that is 100. So here we go. So the floor is 100. So in order to find the ceiling, I would simply add 100 to 100. And so my ceiling would be 200. Okay? Let's see if we can write that a little bit better. I was getting fancy. All right, so our midpoint. We need a number that is between 100 and 200. The middle of 100 and 200, which would be 150. Now all we have to do is simply plot this number 167 on this vertical line. So if we start at the floor and start counting 100, we can say 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, count all the way up to 150. I can't put it down there because it's 167. So I have to go past this midpoint. So now I got to round up. So this would be 150. This may be a 160. So I would say 167 would probably be somewhere in here. So now, and I'm sorry, yes, 150. So now if we want to know, again, the closest hundred, it has to end with the 2 zeros, so it's the closest hundred, it would be, and you can visually see, 167 is closest to 200 because 100 is way down here. So there you have it. If we're rounding 167 to the nearest or closest hundred, that would be 200. Okay? So go ahead and practice some on your own. Feel free to come back and check us out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell and the like. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. I'll see you next time on Bright Road to Success.